Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Home Rule movement. It means self-rule but not independence. It will be on the lines of white colonies. This concept was taken from Ireland, which was also a British empire. Annie Besant, who is an Irish lady, brought this movement to India. Two separate home rule movements have been started by Balgangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant with good cooperation and coordination. Gandhi also organized Satyagraha Sabhas and used to rope in young members of home rule leagues. Now let us discuss about Tilak's home rule movement. It started in April 1916 and Tilak started an organization called Home Rule League. Joseph Baptista was the president and N.C. Kelkar was the general secretary. It was organized only in three parts of India, that is Bombay province, Central province and Karnataka province. It had primarily three demands. One is self-rule, second is formation of linguistic provinces and the third is Western education in vernaculars. Now let us discuss about Annie Besant's Home Rule movement. It was started in September 1916. Its headquarters was in Madras. The president was Annie Besant itself and General Secretary Ramaswamy Iyer and the treasurer was B.P. Wadia. Note that B.P. Wadia in 1918 founded Madras Labour Union, the first trade union in India. Coming back to Annie Besant's Home Rule movement, it had 200 branches spread throughout India except for the places organized by Tilak. But by 1917, this movement has come to an end. The reasons for its declination are: 1. Government suppression, 2. Muslims and Dalits strongly opposed this movement because at that time anti-Brahmanical movements were going out throughout India. Next, communal rights in India in the period 1916-1917. So the issue has been diverted. And finally, the immediate reason was August Declaration by the then Secretary of State Edwin Montag. He made a declaration that is, His Majesty's government aim is to have an increasing association of Indians in every branch of administration and gradual development of self-governing institutions with a view to progressive realization of responsible government in India. So, this August Declaration was the immediate reason for the declination of Home Rule movement. Now let us see a previous year question. In 1920, which of the following changed its name to Swarajya Sabha? A. All India Home Rule League, B. Hindu Mahasabha, C. South Indian Liberal Federation and D. Servants of India Society. The answer is A. All India Home Rule League. Thank you.